Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Sheila Febriani with NPM 234110003, Management Class 23B. Good evening everyone. On this occasion, I will present the results of a study on the analysis of digital business and e-commerce opportunities. Currently undergoing a major transformation due to due to digitalization. All forms of interactions from marketing and transactions to customer service are now shifting to the digital realm. The presentation aims to understand how business can leverage this chance to create real opportunities. We will discuss how digital consumer behavior is formed, what emerging market trends are, who the major players are in the digital industry, and what strategies we can implement to help our business survive and excel in the highly competitive online environment. First, we need to understand the digital market context through three main aspects. The first is the competitive landscape. In digital business, we must identify our main competitors, their market penetration strategies, and their competitive advantage. This analysis helps us identify market gaps or open space that can be exploited. Second, we must understand market trends. Market trends reflect the direction of change in consumer behavior and technological development. For example, the increasing use of mobile phones for online shopping, the growth of social media as a means of transactions, and the growing demand for fast, secure, and personalized shopping experience. Third, we must conduct a digital marketplace analysis. That is understanding how consumers browse, compare, and make purchasing decisions. Digital consumers typically search for information through search engines, read reviews on e-commerce platforms, and compare price across various platforms before making a purchase. By thoroughly understanding these three components, we can develop a data-driven digital business strategy that is relevant to current market conditions. Digital consumers have very different characteristics than traditional consumers. They tend to be more active in searching for information before purchasing, reading reviews, checking product ratings, and comparing offers across various platforms. Their, their behavioral stage can be described in four main steps. First, awareness, when consumers begin to recognize a need. Second, considerations, where they begin to research and compare options. Third, decision, which is the stage of making a purchase decision based on factors such as price, ease of transaction, and brand reputation. And finally, post-purchase, where after sales experience such as delivery speed, customer service, and return policies, determine whether consumers will become loyal customers or not. By understanding these behavioral patterns, companies can create marketing strategies that are more personalized, timely, and tailored to consumers' needs. Digital market analysis cannot be conducted solely on intuitions. It requires a systematic, data-driven process. There are three important stages. First, data collection. In this stage, we collect data from various sources such as customer survey, transaction data, website analytics, and social media trends. The goal is to gain a complete picture of user behavior and market dynamics. Second, market segmentation. Once the data is collected, the next step is to group consumers into segments that share similar characteristics. For example, based on age, location, interest, lifestyle, or shopping patterns. This segmentation allows companies to develop strategies that are more focused and relevant to the needs of each group. Third, opportunity identification. This stage is where we process the analysis results to identify new areas of opportunity. For example, untapped consumer segments, emerging products, or unmet market needs. Throughout this process, business can find sweet spots for sustainability growth. In the digital business ecosystem, startups play a crucial role. Startups are often pioneers in presenting innovative new solutions that disrupt the market. There are four key advantages that make startups stand out. One, innovative and creative startups are not tied to complex bureaucratic system, giving them more freedom to experiment and create new products. Two, agility and adaptability. Startups have the ability to adapt quickly to market changes. When trends shift, they can pivot their strategies more quickly than larger companies. 3. Entrepreneurial spirit. Strong entrepreneurial spirit drives founders and their teams to continuously innovate, take risks, and seek new ways to create value for customers. 4. Talent attraction. A dynamic, flexible, and innovation-driven work environment makes startups attractive place for talented young talent to thrive. The combination of these four factors make startups a vital driver of growth in the modern digital economy. In the digital business development phase, on crucial aspects that needs to be prepared is planning the use of funds. In the example for Rimberio 2024, the use of funds covers various components such as tool or product development, digital marketing, operation, and human resource. A detailed fundraising plan not only helps maintain financial efficiency but also demonstrates credibility to investors. Transparency in fund management is key to building trust. Investors want to see how the funds can generate added value for the company, whether in the form of increased sales, brand strategizing, or market expansion. To achieve success in the digital market, companies need a focused and consistent strategy. There are three main strategies that are key to success. First, logistic optimization and inventory management. A good customer experience starts from the ordering process until the product is received. With efficient logistics management, such as real-time tracking system and fast distributions, companies can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Second, data-driven digital marketing. Modern digital marketing strategies must be data-driven. Through user behavior analytics, companies can understand when and how customers interact with products, then tailor message and offers to be more relevant and effective. Third, personalized and interactive digital experience. In the digital age, personalization is a key differentiating factor. Consumers want to feel cared for and treated uniquely. By providing personalized experience, such as tailored product recommendations, chatbot service, or tailored promotions. We can increase customer loyalty and trust. In closing, we can conclude that digital business and e-commerce are not just temporary trends, but rather a new form of the future business ecosystem. Success in the digital world depends on how well we understand consumers, leverage data, and adapt to technological and market change. With a innovative, and customer-centric strategy, we can build a digital business that not only grows rapidly but is also sustainable. Thank you for your attention and time. Hopefully, this presentation can provide inspiration and insight for all of you facing the challenge and opportunities of the digital business world. I conclude with peace be upon you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.